Simplify 216 to the power of 1 over 3. And then outside of it, we have a power there of minus 2. So how can we actually solve a simple question as this? Well, Coach Elmert is going to show you how this is being done. So now, then the first thing I'm going to do is to remove that bracket. And how do I remove that bracket? By simply multiplying the powers. So I'm having 216 I mean, and then raised to the power of 1 over 3 times minus 2. Now remember that minus 2 has a denominator of what? 1. So this is going to become 216. 1 times minus 2 is going to give me minus 2 there, over 3 times 1 is going to give me 3. So at this point I'm having 216 raised to the power of what? Minus 2 over 3. Now how can I proceed from here? Now according to the law of indices, if I'm having a to the power of minus 1, it's the same thing as saying 1 over a. Meaning if I'm having a to the power of minus 2, it's the same thing as saying what? 1 over a to the power of minus 2. So same thing happens or applies even if we're having fractions here. So as far as a negative power there or a negative value there, that's going to become 1 over 216 raised to the power of what? 2 over 3. That is what it means. Now, according to the law of indices as well, if I'm having a to the power of, let me say, let me still use 2 over 3, it's the same thing as saying that I'm looking for the cube root of a, and after getting this, I want to square it. It's the same thing as this. The cube root of a, and then after doing that, I square it. So it means that at this point right now, I'm going to be having 1 over the cube root of 216, and after getting this, I will want to actually square it. So this is going to become 1 over. Now, what do we mean by cube root? Cube root is simply saying what number do I multiply 3 times that will still give me 216. What number do I multiply 3 times that will still give me 216? And that number is 6. 6 times 6 is 36. 36 times 6 will give me 216. So that means that what? I'm now having 6 right here. And remember, I'm going to square it. So this is going to become 1 over 6 squared is 36. Meaning my answer is going to be 1 over 36. Or I can even leave my answer as 36 raised to the power of what? Minus 1. Back to this, okay? So it's actually the same thing. That's just it. That's simple as this. Okay?